Extra time.
You're back on the winning track today. Firstly, how's the mood in the camp? And second, does Chris Gayle add much more balance to the batting lineup?
Yeah, so it's good to get to a win, and yes, as you said, Chris coming back into the side gives a lot of energy to the side. And at the moment, I mean, the mood in the camp was always high, even when we were losing. We didn't lose our spirit. We know that we are playing good cricket. It's just about getting over the line, and really happy that we have won a game, and it's about repeating it game after game now.
Is the wicket really difficult to bat in the middle overs, especially against spinners? How tough is it to force the pace?
Definitely, yes. I think it was the wicket was holding up a bit, but having said that, it's all about executing the length as well. It's about execution. If you miss your length, you might get hit for a six. Considering how small the ground is, you can bowl 5 good balls, and one ball can get to a 6, and it can just mess up the over. It's about executing well, but yeah, it did have something for the spinners in it.
Can you also talk us through your spell today, and especially the 2 wickets that you threw?
Yeah, really happy that the ball was coming out well. I was watching the previous games which were being played on this wicket. I even watched the last game which RCB played, and how their spinners bowl. I think they bowl really well. I took a cue out of their bowling spell, and I just wanted to hit the right lengths, hit the ball into the wicket. So I just wanted the ball to stick onto the wicket and try to turn it as much as possible quickly both ways with my googlies as well, to cause some kind of a doubt in the batsman's mind. Happy that I was able to do that. Happy I was able to get wickets in the middle and contribute to the team.
As a spinner, can you also talk us through the challenge of bowling spin at Sharjah on such a small ground?
It is. But as a professional, you need to accept this challenge. Every ground is different. You need to adapt yourself really well if you have to be successful at this level. And that's what we do at practice. Prepare ourselves to each game, prepare ourselves for the challenge. And if we can, accept these challenges and overcome them, and I think it's the right way forward.
This is yet another close chase for Kings. Why do you think it's the case every time for the team?
This is a game of T20, and all the games are really close. And it's bat versus ball, and it's about who gets the better of the other ultimately. Happy that we crossed the line this time. It's about replicating these moments, making sure that these close finishes come towards us, so that the points table looks different. We keep adding to the wins. So yeah, it's a game of T20, so you can expect the games to be close.
The last one for the day. What is the approach going forward, as every game is important for the side to make it to the playoffs?
Yeah, take every game, each game at a time. Play the best you can on the field. And make sure that you just cross the line, just execute what you have practiced and make sure you win the game. That's it.
লেটেস্ট নিউজ আর এক্সক্লুসিভ ভিডিওর সঙ্গে আপডেট থাকতে এখনই সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করতে ভুলবেন না যেন।